Good morning. It is about 8:45, 8, well, like it's like 8:55 now. I got up at 8:30. Taking Gracious out so she can get her poops in peace. And then I'm going to start a workout. First day of my 3-month workout plan. So like I was trying to explain to y'all on the elevator, I think. Today starts day 1 of my 3-month workout journey. I'm really gonna push myself to be consistent because I have some things that I would like to, kind of change about myself. Change kind of sounded harsh. I didn't know if I should say that. Not to say that I don't like myself, I don't love myself, but I know I'm not the healthiest I can be, and I know, bless you mama, and I know that I don't move my body as much as I need to and as much as I should. So yeah, let me make sure this mic is plugged in. So yeah, I over the weekend I made up this whole 3-month plan. Well, technically ChatGPT made it up for me. I kind of fine-tuned it just a little bit, and today is day 1. I was gonna go to the gym and everything, but when I started workouts I said I could really do that at home. So I'm gonna start at home, and once the workouts start getting like a little bit more intense and I need like equipment, then I will transition to the gym for those days. But today's day 1. I'm gonna be working out 4 to 5 days a week. Today is what, October the 13th. That's crazy. 13 is like my lucky number. Well, not lucky because numbers can't be lucky, but it's my favorite number. Today is October 13th, so yes, we're gonna get it started right now actually. So you are the living word. Oh gracious, don't knock the camera down. Oh, bread of heaven. I don't know what you want to watch. Send down from the Lord.
As his church here to be the salt on the earth. But salt that is seasoning things doing nothing, like the spaghetti because he wants to use us to show forth his glory, to give. Nobody wants to deal with the constantness and insecurities that rise up in you when God calls you to do something. Nobody wants to deal with it. Most of us, we just want to say, God has given us an opportunity to suffer.
Hurt my little toes. Y'all Grace.
Whether it's pottage or whether it's
They hurt so bad. I hate them, but I got through my 3 reps. And I'm sweating a little bit. You see a little perspiration. I'm a little glossy. I can feel the sweat roll down my back too. But I feel good. We'll knock the rest of this out. I have, see, hip thrusts, step ups. Oh, I do need dumbbells. I might get a weight or something. I don't know, something that's heavy. Planks, and then mountain climbers, and then that's it. So let's get it. done. I just took a nice hot shower. What kind of warm-ish shower? I don't know. When I finish working out, I can't really do the hot shower because it just takes my breath away. Made me feel like I can't breathe. I'm already tired, and then all that heat, it kind of be a lot. But that was probably TMI as well. But anyway, the workout was cool. I got through it. Wasn't bad. I wasn't able to do the step-ups because I didn't have anything that I could step up on that was low enough. I could have stepped up on a chair or something, but I feel like it was too high. Like, that's too much right now. I ain't ready for all that. So I couldn't do those. I do have a step stool, but it's kind of broken on the side. And so when I stepped up on it, it tried to act like I was super heavy. And it collapsed. So I said, let's not do that because I'm not trying to hurt myself. Other than that, I was able to do everything else, and I'm proud of myself. I feel good that I finished. My body sore, but I do feel good that I finished. So yeah, proud of myself. Day one is complete. It's doing a little skincare. I had to wash all that sweat off my face. Sweat was rolling down my back too. I was putting in work. I was putting in work. I'm about to get me some breakfast because I need something on my stomach. I can feel it. I think I'll make me a smoothie. I did come up with a meal plan as well. I put in all my goals and everything on ChatGPT, and it came up with a weekly meal plan for me to kind of reach my goals and go along with my workout plan. So I'm going to see about that, see what it has on there for today. I know for sure I'm gonna make me a smoothie. I thought I had ordered some protein powder, but I ordered collagen powder. I don't think it has protein in it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to double check. But I ordered from Black Girl Vitamins, and I actually got their bundle of 3 vitamins. It's a once a day, a D3 vitamin, and then a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. And then I ordered the powder, which I thought was a protein powder, but I believe it's just a collagen powder. Either way, I'm still gonna add that to my smoothie. But I wish it had protein in it as well so that I could get more protein in. But I'm gonna make me some eggs. And yeah, I need to go ahead because I feel a little nauseous. It's the evening. It's 5:54 and I am cooking dinner. I'm about to roast these vegetables. Let me figure out what it's at, y'all. Hold on. I'm about to roast some vegetables. Taking these and just placing them on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper and roasting them all up. That's what it looked like. Set my oven to 425. And yeah, I'm gonna make some shrimp to go with that. I feel like this is a nice little healthy meal, you know. I'm like really hungry, so yeah. Yeah, let me do that. While the veggies roast and the shrimp thaws out. I thought the shrimp was thawed out already, but it's not. It's like half the bag was thawed out, half wasn't. So I just have them sitting in some water real quick. The good news is shrimp don't take that long to cook, so it'll be fine. But while I'm waiting for that, I have Captain America on the TV, the first Avenger. I think I saw this already, but I'm not really sure. I didn't grow up watching the Marvel movie. Is this Marvel? If it's not Marvel, please don't get me. But I didn't grow up watching the Marvel movies or the what else? What's the other one? DC. Bae, is it Marvel and DC? The movies. It's like Marvel movies and then DC movies. Like isn't it two of them? Yeah. It's Marvel and DC. Marvel is own thing, DC is own thing. Okay, cool. I actually have been trying to watch them in order because on Netflix, is it Netflix? No, Disney Plus, they have them in order where you can watch the timeline. So I've been trying to do that, and I think I did see this one, Captain America: First Avenger. But anyway, I got it on the TV, and I am about to fold these clothes up and put my sheets in the dryer. Oh, but I ain't gonna lie, I took a nap earlier, okay? I was so tired. That workout tired me out, okay? So I ended up taking a nap, and I got up around 2, and I've just been like doing some work on my computer, planning some things for our church events that are coming up. I've been doing a little editing for the next vlog that's gonna be dropping, and yeah, just doing stuff like that. So I did not eat any lunch, which I should have eaten lunch. I realized I'm gonna have to go get some like chicken breast and some romaine lettuce or spring mix so that I can do salads for lunch, or I could have my rice and maybe a sweet potato, my chicken and maybe a sweet potato, or my chicken and a little bit of brown rice or something for a quick little lunch, because I don't have no chicken breast in here, and I feel like that's gonna be the easiest thing to have for lunch. But in the meantime, I am gonna have to figure out some things to have for lunch, you know, that fall in line with my little workout plan, my diet. But anywho, let me get these clothes. Folding and putting away clothes is my least favorite. Actually, cleaning the bathroom is my least favorite chore. Folding and putting away clothes, second least favorite. But let me get it out the way. Gracious. brings me to the end of the day, which is gonna be the end of the vlog. I just finished prepping my hair. I do get my hair done real soon, so I'm super excited about that. I had to go ahead and just detangle it so that it's not all crazy when I walk into the salon. I'm getting myself ready for bed. I'm showered, got my pajamas on. Yeah, I took Gracie girl out. Oh, dinner was so good, y'all. The shrimp was delicious. I thought I had put, let me get myself together. I thought I had put too much garlic, minced garlic in the shrimp, but I didn't. It was perfect. Shrimp was delicious. The vegetables turned out pretty good. They weren't as crispy as I wanted them to be, but I'm sure that's just because they were frozen and I probably should have left them in the oven just a little bit longer, but they were still really good. And I just heated up some leftover white rice we had in the fridge. I was gonna make brown rice, but I was like, let me eat this up real quick so that, you know, no food goes bad. We ain't trying to waste no food. Food costs too much to be wasting it, all right? So we ain't trying to do that. And dinner was delicious. Took Grace outside to do her peas and poops, which was nice. It's really chilly outside, y'all. It's giving all the fall feels, and then it's getting me excited for like winter, Christmas time. I'm just getting super excited. Hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me. I do have one more load of laundry that I need to put in the dryer, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm trying to do better with going to sleep with clothes in the washing machine. I really need to do better with that because I be forgetting them in there, and then I have to rewash them because, you know, when clothes sit in the washing machine, they start smelling like mildew and just no. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that, and then I'm getting my hind parts in the bed. I will talk to you in my next video, probably in a couple days once I get my hair done. So bye, girl.